Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change clothes on a person in photo using Gemini's brand new image editing tools powered by Google's Nano Banana. This feature lets you edit images instantly just by typing a simple prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, open Google Gemini in your browser and then just log in into your Google account and then just go to tools icons or tools sections, just tap on it and then just tap on create images, this one. This is where the magic will happen. And now just upload the photo of the person whose outfit that you want to change. Just tap on plus buttons and then upload files. And once the photo is uploaded, all you need to do is write a prompt. For example, just type a prompt like this. And okay, like this. The result looks super realistic, like they were actually wearing it. And then, but that's not all. You can also use a real clothing photos as reference. For example, just upload the photo of the clothing item that you want, maybe a specific t-shirt or jacket, like this. Like this, and then just type a prompt like this. And okay, like this. As you can see, it's Gemini transfer the outfit onto person photo like this. And honestly, it looks realistic and incredible. And okay, that's it. With just a few clicks, you can completely change someone's outfit in a photo, whether you're making it more stylish, formal, or just experimenting with different looks. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!